And the Reds, well, it's their first visit to Lautoka after going winless in 3 trips to Suva. They thrashed the Drua by 45 points in their most recent encounter in Brisbane. That was late last season, but they are expecting it to be a lot tougher in these conditions today. Coming off wins over Aussie rivals. Coming off home wins over joint leaders, the Brumbies and the Hurricanes. They're 1 from 2 here in Lautoka this season. Remember, Moana ended the run of 9 straight wins here. That was way back in week 1. Wilson leading the Reds as Het looks on. So it's underway. This week 6 encounter, and hammer time there. Mistake on the ground by the Drua, and so the Reds will look to spin it. Advantages over. Here's Ryan. Ryan, the inside ball to Kalani Thomas. Brilliant work by the Queensland Reds. They get the first 5-pointer. Came from the mistake from the Drua.
Man possessed this afternoon, and all it was simple hands, inside ball. Everyone's alive. Kalani Thomas, as every good halfback does, gets the ball.
That was the start of his journey before coming through to rugby, and that is another 2 points for the Reds.
Armstrong Ravula moves in, and the crowd will tell the story. Yes, they love that one. Just to the left of the uprights. There's a miss them from there, and so it is 7 points to 6 now. Go in hunting. Vada, Salawa, long and Amasi had the line right open, but it wasn't quite a great pass. But now it's going to go out to Drua Sessi, and he coughs it up. Oh, they butchered it a couple of times there.
Is there anything, or we can
the pass is just not sticking at the moment for the Fijian Drua.
Half for you, Marcus. Okay. Half time.
Queensland 7, Fijian Drua 6. Second half underway. Good tackle from Murray. Inside ball. Ooh. And he got the pass away to Wilson. And all of a sudden, Wilson is into the 22.
Don't compete now.
McLaughlin Phillips has caught them napping. Harry McLaughlin Phillips off the back of that great run.
So you can see here from that ruck, well, the switch. And that offload, and Harry Wilson, ball and all.
I'll tell you,
could have given it, but held on to it, secured it as they went from here on in. All it was just a one-on-one simple step. Beats 2 tackles. McPhillip over, getting from their patience in the way they're playing.
McLaughlin Phillips adds the extra 2. So it is now 14 points to 6 on the bench, and Silasil is not out there as well, so quite sure he'll be the captain.
Moved off the mark.
And here come the Reds. Good formation here. And desperate defence required by the Drua, but they can't hold them out. It is a try.
Asiata, 50 caps. And this all just comes from applied pressure and building pressure that the Reds have been doing since since half-time. Just a simple more. You can see him composed. It's one of those ones in Asiata, as every good hooker should do.
Richie Asiata, he played for the Australian under-20s 10 years ago. And he has come off the bench to hit the firepower. 2 more points for the Reds, and they are travelling well in the second half.
By Louis Watom. 10-metre mark. Salawa, that's the full-time hooter sounds, and there's another knock on.
Lost forward.
Lost forward by the Fijian Drua, and that is full-time in Lautoka, and finally a win for the Queensland Reds in Fiji.